small family plot, which I'll have in this video as part of the cemetery tour I've been doing at Hillside and Fairview, and just to show you some more of the historic families and areas of Staten Island. The Rousseau Van Pelt Family Cemetery. Fairly legible. There's Susanna Van Pelt, Jacob Rousseau Sr., and Susanna Van Pelt. The Van Pelts are a long historic family on Staten Island, and that is the only headstone that is legible in this small plot.